Hey, look what we have here. Ah, another common thing in the plant is this motor pump assembly or anything that's motor driven. And if you're connecting them, mostly you need alignment. And the common alignment is using belt. So how do you check for that? Normally, you need to have another equipment to check for belt alignment. In this case, they have just one other button. You just have to click and you can already start looking at the belts. All you need is just to get on extra accessory, hook it up, and you start getting the reading. How simple is that? So what I have here are measuring units, right? This is their measuring units, is how they see each other. They have these two lasers pointing at each other so they know where they are. And it's critical that, that they can, to know how far they can see each other, right? Some are nearsighted, some are farsighted. This one is really farsighted. It can go up to 20 meters. You see, go as far as that place. Right? So then that makes it very practical for big machines. Okay. So another thing I like is that it can last up to 24 hours continuously. And that's, when you're in the field, you don't have any power, right? So having that much option gives you're not in a rush. Oh no, my battery's low, so I need to worry and rush. So you can focus on your work and it will give you 24 hours continuous operation. I like that. One thing we all are guilty of is accidents, right? We don't want it, but it happens. And in a plant, that's an exception. It happens. And water is life to us, but water is death to the machines. And it's having our expensive instruments, we just can't afford it to die. So we need to protect it against water. So all these IP ratings, protection, I particularly like what Easy-Laser did because they have an IP66 and an IP67 rating for their display unit. So what does that mean? What is this 66? 66 is, it has to be a strong water jet, just in case somebody just was pouring something and you ended up landing your gadget behind it, underneath it. And 67 is you drop it and it gets submersed in water. And that's really, really bad, but at least you're protected. That's really, for me, that's a very good feature. And apparently, that's not the case for most of the gadgets out there. So thank you for Easy-Laser for thinking about that.